Say hello to Pepper. Pepper is a gorgeous 4-year-old domestic short hair brown tabby girl. She has a big streak of black that runs from her head to her tail. She has a classic mackerel tabby print, which we think is also beautiful. Miss Pepper loves attention and affection. Don't you, sweetheart? She loves pets and scratches. As you can see, she's very affectionate. She likes to be in your lap. She's a lap kitty. She also likes playtime. Say, I like playtime too. Yes, I do. She's about 4. She's spayed, up to date on everything. Rabies and shots and preventions. She is a good cat that would be good with other multi-cat households. She could even live with a dog. Pepper has gorgeous green eyes and just has a really laid-back, cool, calm cat vibe. So if you are looking for a new addition to your heart and home, Miss Pepper would be a perfect bit of seasoning to top it all off. If you're interested in adopting her, let us know or apply to adopt today.